So my today's extempore would be on my favorite PVC. On the out of the 21 Paramir Chakra awardees, the one whom I admire the most is Major Shaitan Singh Bhati. He was born in the Jodhpur district of Rajasthan, and he was the part of Jodhpur State Forces as an officer before Rajasthan became a part of India, and after that he was transferred to 13th Kumaon Regiment, where he got his promotion as a captain and as a major. He also served in the Naga Hill operation in the northeastern side after our independence, and he isn't him and his company was posted in Rizangla. Rizangla is the name of the ground area in the mountains near the Chushul in Leh Ladakh. And Chushul was a very important sector during the 1962 Sino-Indo War, as it was the lifeline of whole Ladakh because it was the only area where there was an airfield, and the army was using that area to resupply itself, to send man and ammunition there, and the transportation from road wasn't possible. So Chushul was a very important location, and India suspected that the Chinese would attack the Chushul airfield, which they did. And to prevent it, the Indian Army has posted different companies at different location, and the area where the 13th Kumaon Regiment led by Major Shaitan Singh was posted was in Razangla, and it was the least expected area. But still, the Chinese attacked from that side, and at that time the communications were cut off due to the extreme temperature. The temperature were below 0 degrees. Our soldiers weren't equipped. They had inferior weaponry, they had inferior numbers. The geography was at the advantage of the Chinese forces. But still, Major Shaitan Singh Bhati has the option to either come back to the headquarters and leave the post and let the Chinese capture the Ladakh, or he had the option to fight till he is alive, till his man alive. And he chose the second option, to fight till the end, to fight till the last bullet, to fight till the last soldier. And he led his brave 124 men to the battle. When their dead bodies were found after 3 to 4 months, no one believed what they saw. Their eyes saw the brave soldiers still holding their 0.33 bolt action rifle of World War II era, where on the other hand, on their counterpart, the Chinese had SLR 7.62 rifles, which were quite superior of their time. And they found that all the bullets that were on the Indian soldiers were on the front side of the body, which indicated that no one tried to rein back. When their bullets went out, when they had no ammunition left, they fought with their bare hands, they fought with their bayonets. It was the endeavor of those soldiers that they hold the Chinese for enough long for the ceasefire to be declared and saving the Chushul airfield. There's a very famous line associated with the Battle of Rizangla in the Rizangla Memorial, a famous line of a English author, and it goes like, "How can a man die better than facing fearful odds for the ashes of his father and for the temple of his gods?" Thank you.